Welcome to the Monday and WhatsApp integration by TimelinesAI. It includes a ready-to-use board template to get started instantly. Let's explore its key features to enhance your WhatsApp visibility and streamline workflows. Monday items are automatically created when a new WhatsApp chat is received, with key fields seamlessly mapped from WhatsApp data. Let's review how the conversation history is stored. When a new WhatsApp message is received, it is instantly logged as an item update under the selected contact. Additionally, we offer a Chrome extension that provides a convenient way to access WhatsApp directly from Monday. Let's explore how it works. Our Chrome extension functions as a full-featured WhatsApp web alternative, enabling you to start and continue WhatsApp conversations seamlessly without leaving Monday. Now let's look at the board setup. TimelinesAI includes 7 pre-made automation templates to cover common scenarios. While we won't cover all of them in this demo, you can refer to the Quick Start guide included with the pre-installed workspace template. So far, we've covered automatic item creation and message sync as item updates. Now, let's review how to send personalized messages when a status is changed. This simple automation recipe sends a personalized message with dynamic variables whenever an item's status changes. It's easy to set up and helps streamline communication based on status updates. For detailed guidance on additional features, check out our comprehensive documentation to ensure quick success. Alternatively, you can book a demo with our expert for a personalized onboarding experience.